Here we go. This is Hurricane Sandy. It's bowing my board. Listen to that. It's just bowing it. It's broken. I'm recording the hurricane pushing our window in. You can't really tell on camera, but that thing is bowing. Hopefully you can hear it. Oh shit! Oh shit! There it went. Wow. Holy cow. The whole window's going. Sweetheart, I fixed it so that the thing with the frame won't come in. Whoa! Look at Jesus. I'm not talking to anybody.
No.
I was talking to Aunt Marcia. I'm recording this, so I put the bar up. So if I didn't put the bar up, it probably would have busted all the windows in just now.
Okay.
Let's see what it looks like outside. Whoa. Power truck. Oh, getting wet. Can't tell. It sounds like a plane. Whoa. Here's the most powerful gust of the day. 70 miles an hour or so. It's insane. Can't see much because I don't get no much light. Let's go inside. Oh. Let's check the window again. Boy, if I didn't have that bar up, that whole thing would have came in, guaranteed. Alright, I'm going to look at the storm a little bit. Oh.